Oh, in this wonderful age, there's all kinds of neat inventions, like the fellow walking around with the tanks on his back.
With the octopi. The octopi tanks.
The octopi tanks. And a lot of the old ways are going by the wayside. Nobody's pulling boats across the Liffey anymore with ropes.
Or the Connecticut, even.
No river.
How did we get across the river, anyway? I forget.
Oh, the little boats are gone from the crest of Liffey, and the ferrymen are stranded on the quay. Well, the Dublin docks are dying, and the way of life is gone, but Molly's just the same for you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you'll never love me, Molly, love me now. Was the only job I knew, was hard and never lonely, and the Liffey ferry made a man of me. But it's gone without a whisper, half forgotten even now, and it's over Manchester. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I'll love you more tomorrow. If you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. I'll tend the yarns and spend me days a roving, and I'll hear the whispers, Charlie's on the dole. But Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young, and the river never owned me heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I'll love you more tomorrow. If you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I'll love you more tomorrow. If you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, I'll kiss away the worries from your brow. Well, I love you well today, and I'll love you more tomorrow. If you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. And if you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now. And if you'll ever love me, Molly, love me now.